Okay, so hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can select element in different ways. In previous video, we have seen how we can select an element using by tag name. Okay, so I have said already like there are how many ways? There are 5 ways to select an HTML element. Okay, so we have seen how we can select element using tag name. Now we will see how we can select an element using class name. Suppose for example, I have an HTML. Inside this HTML, I have h1 tag, and inside the h1 tag, what I am giving here, I'm giving here one class. Okay, I'm writing class like one. My class name is what one. So with the help of class name, we can also select this h1 element. Okay. Previously, we have seen how we can select with tag name. Now we are seeing how we can select using class name. Right. So what we will write here, we will write here document dot okay get elements by class name. Okay, what we will write elements dot class name. Make sure you are writing here get elements, not element. Okay, by class name. And here you will write what is your class name. My class name is one. Okay, and I will store this element inside a variable. Let h equals to, okay, h is a variable. We can create variables. So inside this variable we stored what our h element. Okay, which element? Whose class is one. Okay, so if I write here console.log, if I write here console.log and h, so what it will print, what it is printing, it is printing h1 h1.1. It is printing like this. But what I want to print the content. So what I will write here, h1 dot inner text. What I will write, h1 dot inner text. So when I write h1 dot inner text, so what it is saying, it is saying undefined. Okay, so why it is saying undefined? Because I have to mention here position as well. So I'm mentioning here position like 0. So now it is printing. Okay, you can ask me like if there is one class. Okay, in h1 element there is one class. So why we need to mention position? Because class is not uniquely selecting. Class is not for uniquely select an element, because you can give two elements with same class. You can give two element. Okay, you can apply same class on two elements, but id you cannot apply. So that's why, for example, this is one class. Okay, this is also class name is one. So it will be confused. That's why whenever we are selecting using class name, we have to provide what index as well. So now it is printing what h1 dot inner inner text. Okay, so it is printing inner text. Correct. So like that we can use what we can use here. We can use what class selector. Okay, using class name we can select. Right. So thank you everyone. In the next video, we will see how we can select an element using ID. Okay, ID is very simple, right? We will see. So thank you everyone for watching this video.